Hi, this is Tony with StuffSeniorsNeed.com, and I'm coming to you today with a very important video regarding long-term care insurance, and more importantly, the potential mistakes that people make when they're shopping for their long-term care policies. Now, it's important that you take everything that I am about to tell you and apply it to your own financial situation. One size does not fit all. Everybody's financial situation is different, and use this video as a guide for the types of questions that you really need to speak to your insurance agent, your financial advisor with, to see that you are making the right decision for yourself. Okay, some of the advice and some of these mistakes that I'm pointing out may not apply to you. They may actually be good things for you. However, it's important for you to at least have the information to go over with these professionals to help you make an objective decision based upon your own financial situation. So I want to talk to you about some of these situations that people get themselves involved in and how it might benefit you in order to take a look and just make sure that you're looking before you leap and you don't make these common mistakes. Number one, buying a policy with an unlimited benefit period. This may seem tempting when you hear stories of people spending a lot of time in nursing homes. It might be tempting if you have a family history of Alzheimer's or dementia, but the truth of the matter is that most people don't need a long-term care policy for more than 5 years. The statistics are only about 15% of people, that's about 1 in 6, wind up needing this type of long-term care for more than 5 years, a 5-year period. So that unlimited benefit may not apply in your situation. If you can cut the benefit down to a time period under 5 years, it's going to help you in terms of the premium and ultimately being able to afford the policy. Once again, it's something that you have to balance the pros and the cons with. Okay, an unlimited benefit period does in fact mean a higher premium, but it also means better benefits if you do need them. But it's something to think about if, economy of the policy is important to you now, being able to afford the policy, that maybe you go for a benefit period that is within the 3 to 5 year range. Again, it's an idea for you to bring up with your financial professional to help guide you into making the best decision for you. Next, not working with multiple companies. This is obviously a no-brainer, but you'd be amazed how many people do it. They check the ratings for only one company with one type of policy, and they don't shop around. When you are going to be spending $500 a month or more on long-term care coverage, you need to shop around and get quotes from as many companies as possible regarding all of the premiums and the benefits that come with those policies. It's not only the price you're looking at, it's the total package of the benefits and the features and benefits of the policy for you to make an objective decision. So try and shop around, and that actually leads to my third mistake, which is working with a captive agent. A captive agent is an agent who only works with one company. So they're only going to wind up promoting a few separate policies within that company. It takes us back to the second point where not comparing multiple companies. If you're working with a captive agent, I guarantee you they're not shopping around from between five and 10 different companies to get the best value for you. They're only quoting you the one company that they're dealing with. That's a mistake. So make sure you're not with a captive agent, someone who can work with multiple companies in order to get you the best potential value for your money. Fourth, skipping the inflation protection. This is a monstrous mistake. Okay, if you're purchasing your policy now, or say you're in your mid-50s, you wind up purchasing it now. If you need that policy when you're 70 years old, if you didn't take the inflation protection, okay, you could leave yourself seriously undercutting your needs when it comes to what the policy will actually pay out. Because with nursing home coverage, the rate of inflation, I believe, is double the national average. I think it goes up like 6% a year, according to current standards. What's going to wind up happening is that if you do not select this benefit, okay, you are absolutely hurting yourself in the long run, because the money that you were expecting to cover that nursing home, to cover that long-term care, will not be there for you. So make sure you speak with your financial professional, your elder care lawyer, to, to really hit on this hard so that you fully understand the inflation protection benefit and how it can affect you. It's going to lead to an increase in the price of the premium, but you have to be able to understand this so that you can make the right decision. And then finally, waiting too long to buy. And this is the biggest mistake in two respects. First of all, in terms of your age. Okay, if you're going to wait until your 60s and your 70s to buy this, you're probably going to be pricing yourself out of the market because the monthly premium will be astronomical. It'll be like your mortgage payment. Okay, the other reason is many people wind up waiting, and once you're into your late 50s and your 60s, this is when diseases like high blood pressure, glaucoma, dementia, Alzheimer's starts to kick in, diabetes. You begin to start to get a paper trail when it comes to your medical record. And that's also going to wind up getting the policy rated and your premiums going through the roof. So this is why many financial professionals recommend looking for long-term care when you're in your 40s and 50s. And be sure to buy by the time you're 60 at the absolute latest. This way you are in a position where the premiums are still somewhat reasonable and you can also get the coverage you need. So really take these lessons to heart. It's extremely important, and I hope you got something out of this video. This is Tony with Stuff Seniors Need, and I will see you next time. Take care.